In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful. After diphthongs, we don't want to talk about nasalization of vowels. We go to tense and lax vowels. Well, what are tense and lax vowels? Look at my, throat here, okay? And there are muscles inside this part, including your tongue, including my tongue, okay? When we talk, we actually make use of these muscles here, okay, in order to produce sounds. If we actually make big muscle compression, we have something like tense vowels, okay? So it is like this when we say something like tense. Well, lax is the opposite way. Tense, lax. Tense, lax. Tense, lax. Okay? So, vowels can be tense. Look at my hand. Tense or lax. Lax. Okay? So, the list to the left includes tense vowels. The list to the right includes lax vowels. As easy as that. Tense vowels, lax vowels. What do we do for the tense vowels? We make more compressions here, okay, when we say these words. What about the lax ones? We don't have much compression of the muscles, okay? The muscles are not involved that way. So, line 1 is the best example for you. If you say beat, it's a tense. When you say bet, it is lax. Beat, tense. Bet, lax. Beat, tense. Bet, lax. What does it mean? For beat, I say something like this. Excuse me for that. For the lax, we say something normally. Beat, bet. Okay? Line 1 is good. Go to line 3. Again, line 3 is good for Iraqi students. Well, what is the difference? What is the difference? The first one, line 3, says boot, tense. The next one is put, lax. Boot, put. Boot, put. So this is the difference between tense and lax. Remember, there are so many tense and lax vowels, you are not going to, in fact, confuse. Okay? For example, at L-E-A-V-E, it is leave. It is leave. And it is tense. But L-I-V-E, it is lax. We say live. So we have leave, which is different from live. Leave, live. Okay? Another example. I say seat, S-E-A-T, tense. I say sit, S-I-T, lax. So you have to be very careful about line 1 and line 3. Why? Because in English we have both of them. And it is easy for Iraqi students. Why? The first one is the ya sound, ya, alif, ba, ta, etc. Ya, okay? The second one is kasra, okay, for Iraqi students. For Farsi students, it is different. The first one is E, like you, but the second one we don't have A, as I told you earlier. Again, you have to be very careful. Anyway, this is a list of tense and lax vowels. What is a tense vowel? A tense vowel is simply something like using more muscle concentration. For the lax ones, we use less muscle concentration, and the list is here. I'm going to read it like this: beat, bit. Okay, continue down. Okay, line 2: bait, bat; boot, put; boat, hot; saw, hat, etc. These first ones are important. The lax ones are actually the diphthongs. Okay, the last 3 ones are diphthongs, like I, high in the word high. The next one is ow in the word how. And the last one is another diphthong. I told you in the previous voice that it is again another diphthong. I, as in boy. Okay, so tense to the left, lax to the right. The last 3 tense vowels are diphthongs. The last 3 ones are diphthongs. Remember, when you're talking in English, remember to pronounce very, very good English, as I told you. Thank you very much.